Yeah, don't drop it on your toes.
Oh, right. Oh, good girl.
Right.
Yeah. Should we go inside?
So this is our humble abode. It's got nothing. No siding, no nothing. We had a house fire. How many months now?
We had it
4 months?
fire in October.
October.
Oh, October 21st and now it's February 19th.
Let's get inside of your house.
Let's go see what's inside.
Oh.
Oh, baby girl.
Alright. This is our sun porch. We got nothing going on in here. Everything is ripped out of the house. Everything from the drywall to floor. Just everything.
Down to the studs.
Yeah, it smells like that paint sealer, huh? What you looking at, Noah?
Look, there's all of our electrical and that ripped out.
Look at the flies coming back to life.
That's crazy. That's what powered our house right there.
Yep.
Look at all that. Is that what you call tube lighting?
Yep.
Right there, or
Two wires.
wires. Yeah. Now, guys, be careful because there are some holes in the ground.
Alright, here it is. Our home.
Daisy, you run after our house?
It's going to be all brand
Oh, yucky, yucky, yucky.
Hey, why do you just put the trash? I'm not stinking here.
Okay. This is the living room.
You gotta get their reactions. It's priceless.
What happened, baby?
You broke this window.
The window, is it broken? Broken window, huh? Noah, what do you think?
What happened, Noah?
It stinks. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Sophie.
And I do not want to go upstairs.
You don't have to go upstairs. Yeah, there's a hole in the ground right here.
No!
It's okay.
Did we
It's all right.
with a trash bag?
No, it's okay. You guys can just stay over here if you want. All right, Brice, why don't you walk through the rest of the house?
All right.
I think the battery's getting really low.
Yeah, it is. This is the kitchen. And then over here is where the fire started.
I will. You be careful too.
Okay. All burnt wood.
Daddy, be careful.
Yeah, I see the hole in the floor, hun.
Daddy will be careful.
All burnt. This is all got to get taken out and replaced.
This is probably the place where it was really bad.
Here's our bathroom. It's warm up here. Master bedroom over here. And then kids' room. Spare bedroom back in there. Where all that hole is. I'm coming down. I'm coming down. Here I come. Boop, 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 boop,
It's
boop,
dangerous
boop,
up
boop.
there.
Yeah, I don't want you to fall.
No, really.
There's a big hole in the floor up there. Daisy.
No,
Daisy, look at Daddy.
no. Come, Mama. Come.
Gosh, it's gonna be so nice when this is the kitchen's
I know.
so much bigger.
This wall will be gone.
Yeah. Well, kind of. There's still gonna be an archway right here.
Yeah, it'll probably start here.
No.
Because this is gone, so the archway will
Yeah.
be wide. Arch.
And then this will just be open.
Yep. Yeah, that arch will be gone. The second one will be gone. And then this wall will be pushed back for a smaller laundry room. We'll get rid of this closet here to widen this out. We'll have a bigger kitchen. What, honey?
She's saying careful, Dad.
Oh, you be careful. There's a hole in the floor over there.
Okay. So, yeah, definitely fireplace right here. That's like the perfect wall for it. Like, why didn't I think of that? Just eliminate this window, which we don't get much light from anyway.
Right.